Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about the sales pipeline platform, which is Beak. So let's quickly dive into the review. So talking about Beak in 2025 is designed to supercharge your sales pipeline by automating cold outreach, managing follow-ups, and tracking engagement. It helps you find contact emails, personalize bulk campaign, and keep deliverability strong so your messages land in inbox instead of spam. With template, analytics, and team collaboration features, it is solid tools for scaling outreach without drowning in manual tasks. The downside is that still relies on the quality of your email list. Bad leads mean poor results. So no matter how good the tools is, advanced setup for sequence and personalized can take time, and over automation risk make emails feels impersonal. So in conclusion, Beak is a strong choice for teams who want to streamline and scale outreach, but it works best with a well-prepared lead strategy. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.